Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have our 2020 Hyundai Elantra SEL. This one features the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, made it to a CVT transmission, 24,309 miles, finished here in machine gray. Very fun car to drive. Of course, it's a platform mate with the Kia Forte, which I love anyways. This one's in very good condition. Go ahead, pop the hood, take a look at that 2.0. Keep in mind it might not be detailed under there. You know what? I don't want to know why there's plastic on everything. Was this never prepped from the factory? Because I don't think there should be plastic on your battery terminal connectors. But you know what? I'm going to leave it because it's not my car, so. Great seating position. Change all your drive modes. Oh, it doesn't slide. How does it cover the window? Oh, not bad. Right. Then you also have Sport. Of course, with a CVT, there's no actual gears. It's all just a series of belts and pulleys to imitate gear ratios. What it means, let's test the ABS. Yeah, on that downhill, there's a good snow patch. That's pure ice. What it means is it's always in the right gear. It's based on power demand. In sport mode, it's going to keep your revs a little bit higher. But since this isn't a sports car, I'm going to leave it in drive. Although this version is not it, you can get the Elantra Sport, same as the Forte GT, same motor, same platform, which I love the Forte GT, so in turn I love the Elantra Sport. Inside the cabin, it's a very roomy environment. I'm 5'9", and I have plenty of room in here. Visibility is actually very, very good. It's one of my concerns with smaller cars is the visibility sometimes is just non-existent. Another thing, in sport mode, steering is actually very well weighted. I expected it to be light and flimsy. However, it is very, very nice. Going to normal. How's the steering there? Oh, yeah. So, sport mode definitely heightens up some steering. Puts in some steering weight. Throttle response, definitely a little bit touchy in sport mode. Personally, I like it that way. There we go. So that makes sense. So you can keep it in normal mode, but sport transmission tuning. I like that. I like when manufacturers do stuff like that. So you can configure your own driving mode. Let's see here. We'll turn it around, test that turning radius. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.